Hi, happy and blessed sunny morning. Uh, it's windy out here in my backyard. A little over 1 month from now will be the Augusta Masters in Georgia. So I think it will be on April 10. Anyway, reminds me to hit some balls. Okay, this is my practice driving range, about 300 yards or more than 300 yards. But at my age of 78, I I am lucky if I can hit 200 yards. It's most of the time 150, 175. Okay, let me hit some balls. Reminding you, a little over 1 month from now will be the Augusta Masters. Okay, nice hit. One more. Okay, that's it. Again, have a nice day. Reminding you, a little over 1 month from now, about April 10, check it out. It will be the Augusta Masters uh, in Georgia. That will be a nice game to watch. Who will be the 2025 golfer who will be wearing the green jacket? Okay, bye for now.